Hi, I'm Nick Moore, and these are the Kramer EXT3-H series of products. They're devices for sending HDMI and control signals over long distances using HDBaseT 3.0. First up is the Kramer EXT3-H-T for transmitter and R for receiver. The simplest way of understanding what these products do is, if you're familiar with the Kramer TP580 T and R, is that the new products are upgraded versions using HDBaseT 3.0. So they're able to send 4K 60 444 uncompressed over 40 meters rather than the 4K 60 420 that could be passed by the TP580 T and R. With RS-232 and IR ports included, you can also send control signals over the same CAT cable to simplify wiring. The PoE versions introduce bidirectional power over Ethernet, which allows either end to be powered by the other. We recommend the use of Kramer's Unicat cables to go between the transmitters and receivers, but any Cat6a cable would be suitable. We also recommend the use of Kramer's industry standard HDMI cables. So why should you use the EXT3-H-T and R and the PoE versions to send 4K 60 444 over a long distance rather than using products that use CSC or DSC compression to do the same thing? Well, the uncompressed nature of HDBaseT 3.0, which the EXT3 series use, means that there is no compression and therefore there's no latency and no issues with color. We can guarantee Dolby Vision and we can guarantee true color fidelity. So in this demonstration, we are showing the PoE capabilities of the EXT3-H PoE, T and R. So we've got our source, which is a Kramer 840 test pattern generator. We're sending the signal out over 6 foot of HDMI cable into the transmitter, and then 70 meters of our C Unicat cable. And as you can see, it's all coiled up, which is about the worst thing you can do to a cable, but we've still got a perfect signal on the screen. So we come into the receiver and out over another 6 foot cable into the display. So the power is going into the receiver. What happens if I want to power the transmitter? So to demonstrate that, I'm going to disconnect the receiver and I'm going to connect up the transmitter, and it will take a second or two for everything to sync back together again. And in a second, you'll get the picture on the display. There it goes. So there we have it. You can power either the transmitter or the receiver, it doesn't matter which.